Hello everybody, and welcome back to Professor Choyce's Corner. In today's episode, what are we discussing? Well, we're getting prepared for the final exam, right? This exam will cover chapters 1 through 16. So let's dive in. Chapter 1, what is it going over? Chapter 1 sets the foundation by exploring the question, what is the criminal justice system? Now, understanding this system is crucial as we delve into the various types of crime discussed in Chapter 2 and the causes of crime discussed in Chapter 3. Moving on, we explore the world of policing in Chapters 5, 6, and 7. We discuss the overview of policing operations, legal and special issues in policing, and the importance of procedural justice. Remember, procedural justice involves providing an opportunity for citizens to explain their side of the story, and it's essential for officers to respond with respect and fairness. As we progress to chapters 8 and 9, we shift our focus to the courts, pretrial, and trial processes. Pay attention to the concept of double jeopardy and how it does not apply if a defendant is charged with a different offense. Now let's discuss Chapter 10, which covers sentencing. It's important to understand that plea bargains, where the defendant pleads guilty in exchange for reduced charges or a lesser sentence, are a common occurrence in the criminal justice system. In Chapter 11, we explore the overview of corrections. Keep in mind that corrections aims to punish and treat individuals who break the law while protecting the public. Chapters 12 and 13 dive deeper into the world of corrections, focusing on jails, prisons, and community corrections. Remember, the inmate subculture has its own norms, language, and roles, and the process of prisonization plays a significant role in shaping individuals within the correctional system. And we can't forget about Chapter 14, which highlights the importance of understanding and helping victims. Restorative justice, which emphasizes the offender's responsibility to participate in repairing the harm caused by their actions. Well, it's a crucial aspect to consider. Finally, in Chapter 15, we discuss interesting world of juvenile justice. Remember, the goal of the criminal justice system is to rehabilitate young offenders and help them reintegrate into society successfully. And now let's review some additional important points to keep in mind as you prepare for this final exam. In a bifurcated trial, different issues of the case are decided in separate hearings or trials. I guess the hint there is bi, which means divided or two, right? The not guilty verdict. It's crucial to understand that a not guilty verdict does not mean the defendant is innocent. It means the prosecution failed to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, which is the standard in criminal trials or criminal cases. Plea bargains are common, where defendants agree to plead guilty in exchange for reduced charges or a lesser sentence. Remember, it's not a violation of the double jeopardy clause if the defendant is charged with a different offense. Now let's discuss the importance of police discretion. It allows officers to act in the most just manner in a given situation and respond with respect and fairness. However, we must acknowledge that most changes in police behavior have not resulted from their efforts to serve citizens better. Moving on to the field of corrections, understand that corrections aims to punish and treat individuals who break the law. Now, if you haven't noticed, I'm giving you half of what you usually see in the PowerPoint review. So you've really got to pay attention to my earlier statements. I love this expression, hint, hint, wink, wink, nod, nod. Oh, and before I forget, here's the rest of your review. The illustrious PowerPoint presentation. hope that helped you. So I'd be remiss if I didn't wish you good luck and good fortune with your exam. I know you'll do well. Also wanted to tell you all, it has been an absolute pleasure working with you. Certainly hope you enjoy the summer.